Right now, our entire planet is hurtling through an invisible cosmic ocean that sits at a mind-numbing 454.8 degrees below zero. But here is the terrifying truth. It is not just cold. It is actively getting colder every single second, and scientists just found a region that breaks the laws of physics. Think about it. Our sun emits a scorching 10,000 degrees of heat, yet just a few miles past our atmosphere, in a pure vacuum, you would freeze solid in seconds. How does a universe born in a Big Bang fireball of 100 million billion degrees end up as the ultimate deep freeze? Scientists are genuinely divided on exactly how cold this universe will eventually get. What exactly is stealing the heat of our universe? To understand this, you might be thinking, space is just empty, so of course it is cold. Down here on Earth, temperature is just atoms vibrating. Faster means hotter, slower means colder. In the vacuum of deep space, there are barely any atoms to hold on to heat. So, theoretically, it should be absolute zero. But wait. Space isn't totally empty. It is filled with a faint, ghostly heat leftover from the Big Bang. But this is where things get strange, because that ancient heat is vanishing. Before I reveal the cosmic thief draining our universe's energy, which is exactly the kind of mystery why thousands of people are joining our community every single day, make sure you hit that follow button. Stay with me here, because what you are about to see changes everything. Let's rewind. In 1964, astronomers Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson were using a giant horn-shaped antenna when they detected a mysterious microwave hum coming from everywhere at once. They had accidentally discovered the cosmic microwave background, the echo of creation. Fast forward to 2013. The European Space Agency's Planck satellite mapped this radiation and confirmed the background temperature of the universe is exactly 2.7 Kelvin. Just a fraction above absolute zero. But how did a trillion-degree inferno turn into a cosmic freezer? The answer is dark energy. Scientists around the world are now realizing that space isn't just sitting there. It is violently expanding, stretching at roughly 42 miles per second per megaparsec. Imagine stretching a rubber band until it snaps. As the universe expands, the super-hot light waves from the Big Bang are being physically stretched out. Over 13.8 billion years, those intense, blazing waves were stretched so thin they turned into freezing microwaves. The universe isn't just leaking heat. It is actively manufacturing cold. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when you thought you understood the baseline temperature of the cosmos, we found a glitch. In 1995, telescopes pointed at the Boomerang Nebula, 5,000 light-years away. The data came back, and astronomers were baffled. The temperature inside this nebula is minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit. That is colder than the background temperature of empty space itself. It defies all common sense. How can something inside our universe be colder than the universe itself? Astrophysicists are debating this right now. Is this dying star expanding its gases so violently that it acts like a cosmic refrigerator? Is it interacting with an undetected field of dark matter? Or is our fundamental understanding of thermodynamics completely wrong? I genuinely want to know what you think. Drop your wildest theory in the comments below right now. Could there be a completely unknown force at play here? This affects how we see our place in the universe. If dark energy keeps stretching space, scientists predict a scenario called the Big Freeze. Trillions of years from now, temperatures will drop so low that atomic motion stops completely. Stars will burn out. Galaxies will go completely dark. But cracking the code of these ultra-cold environments isn't just about the end of the world. By studying how extreme cold behaves in space, quantum physicists are currently developing superconductors and quantum computers here on Earth. The secrets of the dead universe are powering the technology of our future. But don't let the cosmic freeze terrify you just yet. We have billions of years of warmth left. And right now, the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Observatory are mapping these dark, freezing corners of space with unprecedented detail. They are finding stellar nurseries, warm pockets of gas, and planetary systems where life could potentially thrive. The universe might be freezing over, but human science is progressing faster than ever before. We are shining a light into the dark. But this cosmic freeze isn't the only terrifying force lurking in the dark. What if I told you that scientists just detected a rogue, invisible black hole wandering freely through our own Milky Way? Or what about the mysterious Great Attractor, an unseen mass that is currently dragging our entire galaxy toward it at millions of miles per hour? We will be uncovering those mysteries in our next videos, so make sure you are subscribed. Thank you for uncovering the truth with me today. Remember, the freezing void of space isn't an empty wasteland. It is the cooling fingerprint of our violent, magnificent birth. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.